L-O-M-N-O-P, L-O-M-N-O-P, Q-R-S-T, U-V-W-X-Y-Z. So, how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. A to Z. There are 26 letters. There are 5 vowels. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And there are 21 consonants out of 26 letters. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonants. So, look at this. Whenever something or one person, if there are something one, you have to use A before consonant. And if something is one, then you have to use vowel. You have to use an before vowel. Look at the words. What it is written? A. Look at this. A bat, a cat, a dog, a fan, a hat, a jar, a man, a pen, a rat, a toy. Because these all are consonants. B, K, D, F, these all are consonants. So you have to use A before consonant words. Okay. And look at this. What I have written over here? An. So whenever something is one and that is vowel, that the word starts with the vowel, so what you have to write? You have to write an ant, an egg, an ice, an owl, an urn, an apple, an elbow, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella. Because these all are vowel. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel. So you have to add an. Next. What is this? An. Here you can see an apple. So you have to write an before A. An apple. Look at this picture. Eagle. E. This picture, this word starts with the letter E. So you have to write an because this is a vowel. Look at this. Oval. O. This is also a vowel. So you have to write an because this is also one. E, U, A. It's a vowel sound. So you have to write an umbrella. Now look at this. Kite, book, fan, car. So look at this. K, B, F, K. So these are the consonant words. K is a consonant, F is a consonant, B is a consonant, and again K is a consonant. So you have to write A. Or you have to write A because these are the consonant words. Okay. So in your book, English Reader for Leaders. So this is your book, how to use A and an. A is used before the naming words which starts with a consonant. These are B, C, D जैसा कि मैंने slide में अभी दिखाया. And an is used before the naming words which start with a vowel. जैसे कि मैंने बताया, you all know already. A, E, I, O, U. Here are the words which you have to read, and now you can read with me. A pen, a fan, a ship, a kite, a lion, a dog, a boy, a cat, a mango, a nose, a van, a hen, a fox, a duck, a doll. These all words starts with the letter consonant. So you have to write A. And look at these pictures. And the words also. An umbrella, an orange, an eagle, an octopus, an owl, an apple, an ice cream, an egg, an elephant. These all words starts with the vowel sound. So what you have to write? You have to write an. Is that clear? Now in your activity book, articles a and an, you have to fill. Look at the picture. There is dash elephant and dash tiger. पिक्चर में क्या दिख रहा है? कितने एलिफेंट है? एक एलिफेंट. कितने टाइगर है? एक टाइगर. So what you have to write before elephant? What you have to write? You have to write an, because he is a what? He is a vowel, and t is a consonant. So you have to write a. There is an elephant and a tiger. Next picture. He is eating dash apple and she is eating dash banana. So before apple you have to write an, and before banana you have to write a. Now the third picture is this picture. Dash eagle is eating dash mouse. E. That means it is vowel. You have to write an, and eagle is eating a mouse because M is a consonant. Fourth one. Nina has dash ink pot and dash pen. Ink pot. I. So what you have to write? An ink pot, and before pen you have to write a. Next one. Montu has dash umbrella and dash raincoat in his hand. Before umbrella you have to write an, and before raincoat you have to write a. Next one. He is giving her dash orange and dash toy. He is giving her an orange because O is a vowel and T is a consonant. So before toy you have to write a. Now look at the next page. You have to match A and N with the given pictures. I hope you can match this picture alone. Here are some pictures, and A and N written over here. You have to match, like this is apple. You have to match like this, and okay, A with the hen and apple like this. You have to do. You can do it alone. And look at this. You have to feel A or an. Okay. So this is the picture of a nose. What do you have to write? A or an? Obviously A, because N is a consonant. Next, there is a fan. So what do you have to write? Again you have to write A, because F is a consonant. So there are lots of pictures, and you can do, I know very well. So you have to do, and you can post the pictures. Okay, bye bye, take care.